Hi, this is Wiz. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the brand new iPhone XS Max. This is the Space Gray 64GB. Let's open it. Inside the box, no big surprises. First of all, you get the usual paper, Apple stickers, SIM ejector tool, and here is the iPhone XS Max. Space Gray 64GB. I didn't take bigger gigabytes because it's already quite expensive. Let's see what else is in the box. You got the wall charger, as usual, the earpod. This time no Lightning to 3.5 jack adapter, unfortunately. And you got the USB to Lightning charger. That's all you got in the box. No fast charger, unfortunately, too. This is a bit disappointing given the price you pay for the iPhone XS, but this is Apple. iPhone XS Max, 64GB, Space Gray. It looks similar to the XS, the regular size one, and the 10. One difference between the 10 and the XS is the asymmetrical speaker microphone setup. You got less holes over here because of the antenna band. But other than that, it looks absolutely similar. Let's turn it on. Now I need to find a case to protect my investment. I'm gonna be doing a camera test 4K with the iPhone XS Max, filming my Audi S5, and I will be showing my new wheels I got on it, so stay tuned for the next video I'm gonna be uploading after this one. It's gonna be interesting. So there you go. That was the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell for new content. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.